Tired of working hard to build someone else's business? Maybe it's time to start building your own. If you're interested in being your own boss while building a six-figure plus income in a year's period of time, this is a must-watch video for you. I'm Jax from Legend Brands. For the past 50 years, we've been pushing the boundaries of innovation to provide cleaning and restoration professionals with cutting-edge equipment and chemicals. Our products are the go-to choice for professionals who want the best cleaning and restoration results. Now, if you haven't noticed, blue-collar workers are in demand. Plumbers, electricians, framers. We're coming up on a severe shortage of some of the most important professions in North America. But there's another that's often overlooked, one I personally find to be even more fun and rewarding: a professional carpet cleaner. And when I say carpet cleaner, I mean carpets, area rugs, hard surface flooring, and upholstery. It sounds good, but do carpet cleaners really make good money? No doubt. We can average $200 per hour revenue with one truck and machine. Machine, you might ask, don't worry, we'll get to the tools you need in another upcoming video. But what's more important is finding out if it aligns with your personality and the ideal lifestyle you want to create for yourself. Number one, you have to like dealing with people. This is a service industry. Notice I said service, not sales. To me, service is sales, but rather than thinking about selling something to a person to increase my bottom line, I think about how to best serve a person or company, which innately turns into sales. Basically, sales is the byproduct of being great at serving the needs of your customers, but it feels so much better to approach it from the I'm here to serve mind frame. Number two, you're at the point in your life where the amount of time you have to spend sitting on your laptop preparing for a virtual meeting that results in a second virtual meeting, which ultimately gets pushed back due to someone's PTO, is unsatisfying. You want the freedom to set your own schedule, be hands-on with your work, get out of the home office, explore new places, and have the ability to 100% control the quality of the product you deliver by yourself. That's what I love about carpet cleaning. I get out what I put in, and I immediately see the results of my efforts. Nothing beats going home every day feeling satisfied by a job well done. All right, if you're still with me, then you might have found your new profession. But hang in there, because there's a couple more considerations. Personally, I like being an owner-operator, meaning I own the gear necessary to clean carpets, hard surfaces, upholstery, area rugs, you name it. But a lot of cleaners out there are interested in becoming managers. They're able to scale their businesses to support multiple trucks and employees, which gives them unlimited potential for growth. Remember, when considering a new profession, make sure it matches your personality and ideal lifestyle. That's the key to success. All right, I said the magic word, growth. And that brings me to a very important factor when making a career change: demand. As you know, every day that goes by, more and more people are born. And guess what those people need? A place to live. And what do all those apartments and homes have? Floors. And what do floors need? Professional cleaning. And I didn't even touch on commercial buildings, which provides a whole other array of potential cleaning clients. Sure, it's important to consider your market and do a little research on the competition, but if you're ready to develop an entrepreneur's mind frame and like the idea of growing a business in a profession that is still underserved, becoming a professional carpet cleaner might be for you. And the best part is, if you team up with Legend Brands, we not only have the tools essential, but also offer in-person and online IICRC certification training. Want to learn more? Be sure to subscribe. You can also browse our YouTube channel to find insight and entertainment on all things cleaning and restoration. Have any questions? Drop a comment below. I look forward to helping you begin the journey. Jax here from Legend Brands. Until next time, Legend Brands.